Different people have their different thoughts and choices. In my preference, both online and offline are good, but in their own ways. As I want a good quality product in cheap price. So as per my opportunity, I will always choose offline purchase because it gives us a quality product and we can examine the product in front of the seller.
Yes, I agree. But in online, we can also depend on reviews, so we can trust the certified buyers, and we can also purchase a good quality product from online.
If the seller is cheated, I can throw two to three words in his face, but you can't. You can only complain in the website. You can't say anything to the seller.
There is a policy. If I disagree with the product, then I can return it and I can refund my money in my account. But in offline, you can exchange. It means you can exchange, but you can't refund the money.
But in offline market, you can enjoy the credit facility. As online, you can get EMI, but it charges interest.
You can also can purchase credit in Flipkart, and it provides the facility of credit in 0% rate. So why I can prefer offline?
But it charges interest on it. That is, you can order through EMI. It charges interest on it. But in offline market, you purchase the product and credit basis. You can't. The seller can't charge you any interest.
But I don't use EMI. I can use my credit card, so there is no rate of interest on this type of projects.
As you a good relationship between the seller, he can give better and better discount as it possible as compared to online.
In Flipkart and other websites, there is a big Billion Day festivals and other festivals in which you can purchase cheap price, and the product is also good from offline.
In offline market, you can go for window shopping and enjoy the product, but in online market, you can't enjoy the window shopping.
I need not to enjoy the window shopping because I am better in my home and I don't want to waste money for traveling expenses, and I can use the money to buy another product in online.
But your life is too busy. There is no time to entertain with your families and friends. As you will go for window shopping, you will spend many time with your friends and family. That will help to improve your life.
My life. I can't want to means I need not to spend time with them because they are also enjoy their life. So I can use the money to purchase another goods in online, to waste the money in offline shopping to travel in the expenses.
But you can't get the product instantly. It took 2 to 3 days to order your home.
Yes, I agree with the point, but if I want urgently, then I can also VIP purchase in Flipkart.
But it takes at least 2 to 3 days to deliver. But in offline, you go to the shop and buy the product.
If I need a product, then I plan before the function and the event. So I am planning for that. Then I can order the product in advance.
Thank you.
Thank you.